I know you love him. Great. He loves you back.
Title of my poem is Before I Say Goodbye. If the itsy bitsy spider can climb the water spout, tell me why can't I get what I need to say out? I don't know where to start, just want to get it off my chest. And since the clock is running out, I thought this time would be the best. I need an answer to a question, so can someone please reply? How do you tell someone you miss them before you have to say goodbye? Because when you regain old feelings, it just gets harder to explain the way you feel, and then there's some things that just don't change. Tell me, how many times already have I felt this before? Only this time is different, I might not see you anymore. We'll be at different schools for the next 4 years. I swear the last time that I'll see you may be the next time I shed tears. Half of me tried to move on, the other half told me to wait. But now there's no more opportunities, because now it's too late. I'm not saying I want you back. I'm not telling you what to do. Guess I'm just looking for another way to tell you I miss you. I miss all the times we had, from the start to the end. And even though you broke my heart, I would do it all again. I miss you. Bye.